Because I've always wanted a single cab one too.
And what was your other favourite?
That one.
And why is that?
Well, because I've always wanted a setup like that.
Hey, check that out. Do you want to go in the middle? Just allow for some people to kind of move about. But we'll put you over there in the middle.
Sarah, you didn't want to be on camera, so you're on camera now. Well done. So we've grabbed you here. This is your truck. You're back from Norway in this.
Yeah, it was quite a nice trip in February.
Cool.
Done 2 weeks out there, 5,500 miles. Saw the Northern Lights, which was quite nice.
Has this got all the toys, or is there other stuff to go?
Done.
What's next? What does it need? It needs a slide off the roof or something.
Yeah. No, just little things, little tinkering. Sort out some more storage in the back because you can never have too much storage.
Is this the dream car?
Yeah,
Yeah?
definitely.
Well, thank you very much for coming down. Really appreciate it. Cheers, guys. Thank you.
All the work they ever had done. Went back to the dealership for the work. Seat belts were fitted from new. Fire extinguisher still in it. That's the original rubber mat. It's got the headlining as well, which they didn't used to have. These were all extras that you had to purchase. 1963. I was brought home from the hospital in this vehicle. Not in 1963.
Yeah.
Well, this 1964 ex-military short wheelbase
Okay.
served 4 tours in Northern Ireland. It was used by a farmer. He just made do and mend. He hammered bits of 2x2 timber up the front dumb irons when the front spring has collapsed, so he could keep steering it. And one of the brake drums shattered, so he put a crocodile clip on the brake flexi. So we had rear brakes.
Yeah, and one front. Yeah. What a character.
Rebuild took a long time. We were researching its history as well and realised that it had actually been driven on its 50th birthday for the first time in its restoration.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
And we had no idea.
Yeah. Thank you for coming down, and obviously you put the word out that we were going to do a Land Rover event.
Yeah.
That was very kind of you.
No, thank you for having me. It's really great to be back, and I'm pleased we're getting into the Land Rover scene now.
Yeah. So this is what, one of how many Land Rovers you've got?
4, 5? Yeah, so TD5 Defender 110.
Yeah.
Station wagon. So essentially it just means all the windows and doors.
Yeah.
Lovely. Perfect family car.
Jacked up.
Lifted.
You can get under that.
Yeah, you can climb under it. It's great to work on. It's great fun.
Yeah. Let's go and do some muddy stuff soon.
Some muddy stuff. Yeah, we're going to get down to Slindon 4x4 over near Arundel. I think the Heritage lot would be into it.
Can you lend us a Land Rover? Can we come and get muddy?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah?
Yeah, have one.
Okay.
If it runs, we can.
Okay, Phil. Been a good morning, mate.
Yeah, I've not seen you all day. How did you get on?
I've had a great time. Yeah, I've just been enjoying all these Land Rovers.
I've spoke to so many customers. They're all so happy to see us and so happy we're running a Land Rover event, but we have to do one fairly regularly now.
Yeah, I think we've set a rod for our own back, mate.
Yeah, and I'm happy to do it. What was the highlight for you?
Just the fact people turned up.
My highlight was that guy who had that military spec Land Rover. Now I want one.
Yeah. Oh, well, along with the T5, along with Porsche.
Yeah, I think you got all 3 now.
Okay.
So I can't wait till the next one. When are we going to do it? Sometime soon?
Yeah, don't put me on the spot, but yeah, let's do another one. Yeah.
Cool. Cheers.